As you guys can tell here, I have 3 Monster energy drinks. I'm going to be seeing how fast I can chug all 3 of these energy drinks as fast as possible without burping. So the original plan that was supposed to be for today was to do a no burp Coke challenge. When I got to the store, as many of you guys may know, this is probably my favorite drink of all time. I probably can't live without it. I have to drink it at least once in a while. I thought I should do a Monster Energy no burp chug challenge. You guys already know there's billions of videos out there that has like 2-liter Diet Coke no burp challenge. I thought maybe I should do the Monster Energy no burp challenge. I don't think this has ever been done before, just because like nobody's really crazy enough to drink energy drinks like fast. This is Ultra Rosa right here. It has a pretty cool design on there. Has some roses on there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. It's pink just like my shirt because it's my favorite color. Don't judge me out there. Before I chug all of these monsters, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. You guys already know what it is. Let's get it. Monster Energy no burp challenge. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm gonna open all 3 at a time, just because I feel like we don't want to waste time here. Oh my god, I can't get it. What the hell? Here we go. All 3 at a time. Yo, this is already hard. I feel it coming. Last one. I got a little false start there because the last can, the tab wouldn't open at all. There it was, the Monster Energy no burp challenge. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have been posting a lot lately. I'm thinking of maybe 6 videos a week or something like that. Make sure you guys go down below, comment what you guys want to see, anything like that, all down below in the comments, and I'll shout you out in the next video if I choose your idea. Hit that subscribe button if you're not yet already. Subscribe. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you need to stay lit, and always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. Real.